Microsoft Excel's got all these different text-based functions. We've been talking about functions that will extract data, left, right, and mid, able to pull data out, using the length function to return the number of characters to make something a little more dynamic, using search to find something within an existing value. Well, now we're going to take a look at a function that will combine values. It's called concatenate. You're going to concatenate or combine two or more up to 255 text values together. Take a look. So I've got the example file open. I'm on the worksheet called concatenate. And in here, I've got a simple little list, last name, first names, two separate columns, B column, C column. And for the most part, when you have last name and first name, a properly designed list says to put them in separate columns. Because this way you can work with the data independently. Sort it, filter it, do whatever you like with it. But occasionally, you're going to want to combine these two values together into one cell. Perhaps you're creating mailing labels. You're creating some fancy report. Whatever it might be. But I want to combine these values together. Well, to do this, you've actually got multiple ways to do it. We're going to take a look at a very common feature here called the concatenate function. Watch this. And it's really simple. I'm going to click right below Howard Smith, the example there. This is cell E4. I'll go back to formulas, back to text, and I'm going to find concatenate. All right, and it's a really simple one. Wants to know two things, at least defaults, but you can have up to 255 things. Essentially, just wants to know the text that you want to combine. So for me, I want to combine Joe and Gonzalez. So for text 1, I'm going to grab Joe, which is inside of cell C4. Text 2, I'm not going to do Gonzalez yet, because I want it to say Joe space Gonzalez. Okay, put a space character in there. So here, I'm just going to do quote, space, quote. I want to combine Joe with the space. And then text 3, I want to combine this with Gonzalez. And that's it. I'm just telling it the various pieces that I want to combine together. Joe with a space with Gonzalez. And that's it. I'll hit OK. And there we have it. Combining two or more up to 255 values together into one cell. Try this out. And when you're all done, you get a feel for it, just drag it. Get the rest of those names. Gail Scott, Cheryl Kane, Kendrick Hapshop. Try it out. Get all those names combined.